Hello children, Richa ma'am here. Today we will learn a poem. Okay, so you open to page number 3434 of your course book 1. Okay, the name of the poem is No No Bird. Okay, so in this poem, the poet says about a boy who always says no to everything. So the poet talks about a boy who always says no to everything. For example, if someone tells him to do work like study, eat healthy food, going bed early, he always says no to everything. Okay, so let us read. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. So, the word no is repeated most here in this poem. The poet compares a bird like a bird stays in a tree. Like the bird here, the boy lives in a tantrum tree. So, what do we mean by the word tantrum? It means a kind of behavior which is not proper. This boy always shows tantrum for everything. He is not afraid using that word all the time, but he doesn't know that if he does this, no one will love him. His elders, his parents, grandparents, no one will love him. But still, he always says a big no to everything. Next. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. Here the boy says that he will never answer why he always says no to everything. He only makes action like stamping his feet, crying and shouting if his wishes are not fulfilled. So we should not do like this. In the last stanza, the boys sing, I am the no bird, I sulk and sing, no to everything. So in the last stanza, the boy says he always sulks and sings. Sulk means upset over something. So here the child accepts that he uses no to everything. So we should not do like this. We always try for new things by saying yes. If we do such kind of behavior, as I said earlier, no one will love us. So from this poem, what we learn? We learn that we should always listen to our parents, grandparents and our elders by saying yes. We should try for new things by saying yes instead of no. Okay, so let us read the poem once. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I am the no bird. I sulk and sing. No to everything. So here what we learn, that we should not always say no. We should not stamp our feet and shout and cry for everything. We always should listen to our elders, our parents, our grandparents. Okay, so you learn this, read this at your home. We will do the exercises regarding this in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.